I wanted to do a lot of things in my life, but I just felt like I was at this point where I didn't know what else to do. I was already doing some of the basic things to make you feel good, like sleep better, eat cleaner, and work out. I've been doing those things, but I just didn't know what it took me to get to the next level in life. I would go home from school, complain about school, and then watch some YouTube, pretend to be productive doing something, and then my day would be kind of over. So I wanted to live a life where I did a lot of things and lived up to my potential, but I wasn't doing a lot to get to the potential that I wanted. But recently I've been slowly implementing something I'm about to share with you, which honestly changed my life. It changed how good I felt about my life. And I instantly feel so much better about myself. I feel like I'm making progress every single day. How great is that? Knowing that you go to sleep, knowing you did so many good things in your day, waking up thrilled to live another great day. And I'm just doing that every day now. By the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy, and I just like sharing these things I've learned recently with you, which I wish I could have heard this 1 or 2 years ago, even a few months ago, when I just felt more lost in my life. I don't think I have all the answers to life, but I've been recently learning a bunch of things about myself by some things that I did, and I just want to give it to you because if I heard this 1 or 2 years ago, this would have propelled my success in my life. I hope that you can think about something that I say and you actually apply it in your life and get better because of that. That would be so cool. So you like the vibe I'm in so far, you kind of like my voice. Consider subscribing because I post videos like these every single day to try to give you something to think about and apply in your life. So the reason why I feel like I'm living a lot more and doing more things in my life, not only because I'm just doing more things, I am solving one of my biggest constraints in my life for the longest time in the world, which is people. I've been scared of talking to people. I've been scared of being in public where people can see me. A lot of the things I didn't do in life were because of people. I was worried about this. What would this one person think about me? I was worried about if this would happen to me because this person did something. Other people were really pulling me down. And every time I would come home from school or have a day off, I really wouldn't know what to do with my days. And then I just realized if I wanted to actually be successful, if I wanted to do more greater things in my life, I would have to be with people. I would have to get over my fear of talking to people, talking to girls, talking to anyone I really see in life. So I've really been focusing on that lately. And the results I have from this are actually unreal. A few days ago, actually, I went to this random store in public and there was a bunch of people there. And I talked to the person that was the cashier. And I asked him if I could have anything for free. And I'm so surprised because I had this belief in my mind that everyone is like a bad person or everyone like just doesn't want to help me or something like that. And he just said, "Oh yeah, like for sure, what do you want?" And I was like, "Oh, can I just have some gum?" And then he was like, "Oh, you're sure you don't want a meal?" And then I walk out that store with 8 pieces of chicken for free. I didn't have to pay anything. I didn't have to really do anything. I just had to go out my comfort zone a bit. And it made me learn so much. It made me realize that you can just do so much in your life if you just ask. I feel like you can really learn so much from just going outside, going in public, asking someone something, than you can watching a million YouTube videos or reading a billion bunch of books. Try your best to be as social as you possibly can because you might think that it's not your priority. You might not think it's your focus. But I feel like if you just level up your speaking, level up your social skills, you will just naturally get better at all the other areas in life that you wanted to get better at anyways. You would have more life experience. You would be more credible. You'd feel happier about your life. You would have people you can talk to. I can literally go out every single day with my friends and play basketball, play lacrosse, play soccer. I can do all of those things every single day because I just asked my friends if you want to go out somewhere in public. And I would have been so afraid of that 1 or 2 years ago when I just was scared of talking to anyone, was scared of people. So if you feel like you're kind of stuck in life, you feel like you want to do more but you're not sure what to do, you're kind of bored sometimes, I feel like this is the perfect thing that you need to be doing. Because bro, I've been only doing this for a few weeks and my life just feels amazing. I'd go out in the morning, I'd go out after school, I'd talk to people I see on the sidewalk or as I'm playing sports, and my life just feels so sick. I'm able to be here right now because I'm in some public place and I'm not afraid of what some one person would think. My life genuinely feels amazing. And a small action step that you can do right now to feel so much better about your life, feel like you have things to do in your life, is to go outside right now, walk to some cool place in public that you've never really been to, and just be there for 10 minutes. Like, you don't have to talk to anyone, you don't have to go up to 100 women. Just be used to being in public. Instead of watching a lot of YouTube videos or learning things, reading books that I don't even need to read about or learn about, I just replaced that with going out more in my life. And it's so surprising how much it really changed my life. How I feel like I'm doing so many things in my life, getting so much experiences, lessons, things that can't be just taught from a YouTube video or can't be taught from a book. Sometimes you really just have to be out there in yourself with yourself. Sometimes you just have to go out and do something. And I really hope you can take this seriously, because I feel like if I did this 1 or 2 years ago, I would have been a lot further in my life, and I feel like my life would have had a lot more meaning and purpose, which is something I was lacking for a long time. I didn't have any purpose in my life, so I just watched random videos, played a bunch of video games, relapsed all the time, ate junk food. And if you want to know how I quit watching YouTube, like, I don't even watch YouTube anymore. If you want to know how I stopped relapsing, I don't even know when the last time I reset my streak. If you want to know how I stopped eating junk food, stop playing video games, stop indulging in all those bad habits that limit us and all of them for so long, click that video in the description, because I talk about how I exactly quit YouTube and how I did it with everything else in my life. I went from watching 8 hours of YouTube every single day, relapsing as soon as I went home from school in the shower, bro. It was so disgusting. And then I just watched a bunch of YouTube videos, play some Minecraft, Fortnite, spend all my time just doing bad habits, and I felt miserable. And as soon as I just started doing more and more of being in public, facing one of my biggest fears, I've learned the most. It's 5 seconds of fear or a lifetime of regret, of bad habit doing. Take advantage of the opportunities that you actually have in your life, because you have so much time right now. Use that time in a cool way and go outside, learn something, talk to someone you see, ask someone to go out with you. The more you can really do this, the more I leveled up and felt like I was making progress towards the dreams and successes that I wanted in life. And also, if you want a way to connect with people who are like-minded with you and want to be like you, join the like-minded club in the description as well, because I'm in there, hundreds of other people are in there, and we all want a better life. We all share the same goals. We don't want to watch a bunch of YouTube videos, play a bunch of video games, eat junk food all the time, relapse. We don't want to do those things. So imagine being surrounded by hundreds of people who are like that. Wouldn't that just be a sick place? And you can actually talk to people there, level up your social skills more, and get used to being with more people if you join it. Join that club right now. I can't wait to see you in there. And if you actually want to get better, want to do more things in your life, go outside right now. My life feels freaking sick right now, so I hope you can think about this the next time you are bored, don't know what to do, have some free time. Go outside for a bit, chill, enjoy the nice creation of this earth that we're living in right now, and be appreciative of how far you've came in your life. So I really hope you can think about this. If you found this video cool, just spread this around the algorithm, do the like, comment, subscribing, sharing this video around so more people can see this and more people can have cool experiences, climb some trees, do cool things in their life. Remember, bro, you're doing awesome, and I'll see you later.